Hi everyone! Welcome to South Green Lake, BC. Ayan. So this is the Green Lake, guys. Look at the water. Look at the water. Very clear. Ayan. Sarap maligo. Pag summer na summer kasi today is April 26. Malamig pa. Ayan na. I'll show you guys the view of Green Lake. Parang ano siya, parang what do you call this island, na talagang Virgin Island. Yan, maluwag. Diyan sa Alberta, kung sikat yung Sylvan Lake, mas maano pa dito. Very clear. Maganda siya. Pag summer, super busy daw po ito. Ayan o. Okay. Ayan, ang view. Beside the lake, mga ano yan, cottage yan. Mga private residence. Ayan, mga bahay talaga. Not a cottage actually. Oh, look at the water. Oh, I'll show you. Yan, look at that. Very clear. Yan. Maluwag. See, look at the from that point, malayo pa yan, malayo. Yan, hanggang dun. Yan. Tapos, yan. Yun, oh. Yan, see? Yan. Maluwag. Kaya tinawag nilang green dahil green talaga yung water. See? If you see, I don't know kung ganyan sa video. See, look at that. See, blue. See, the sky is blue. You can compare, and then the color, see? It's green. Green, yeah. Here, more darker. Here, there. Yeah. I don't know how deep is because napaka clear ang water. But the side or the see, mababaw naman, mga 2 to 3 meters away from where I stand, about just about my waist siguro po, or above my knee, or deeper than that. Yan. Okay. Yeah, maraming access. Actually, this is the second access of this lake from the highway. So this is the second one. I don't know how many access, and then the rest, yan yung mga residential. Yan o, see, may mga dyan o, residence yan. Tapos ito naman another residence yan, mga private talaga yan. I think ano lang siya, allowed for just for swimming, kinda like that, kasi no camping or overnight parking. No camping, so it's just for fun, swimming, kinda like that. Alright, see you again, Green Lake. Alright, let's go. Ito yung access going in the lake from the highway or to the road, main road. That's the highway. So from where we live is about 2 kilometers. Actually, we just live just across the street or this highway. Walking distance sa ano namin. So, ang mga bahay na ito ay mga private yan. Yan. Galing ako sa church. Napadaan habang medyo maaraw pa kasi malamig pa. Oh, access tree. I should go to the access tree. We'll see the other view there. Or maybe we'll see the 5. But the 5 access tree, we'll see access 4. Saan ba yung access 4? Oh, maybe right here. What is this? Oh no. Where's the access 4? 3, that's 3. Yeah, oh, okay. Green Lake access 4. Okay, let's go here. Baka Green Lake access number 4. Tingnan natin kung anong meron dito. Oopsie. Oop. Wow, ang ganda yung bahay, oh. Ganito lang siya. No. Yan, ganyan lang siya ang access 4. Hindi siya open sa side. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Hindi siya maganda. Okay. Backing. Ganda yung bahay, oh, laki. But the access 7 is very cool, very wide. Ay, sorry. Sorry, natanggal. Natanggal. Okay. That's access 4. Di maganda access 4. The 2 is nice. I don't know where's the access 5 and 6. Let's see. Oh, maybe right here. Nope. Right here, access 5. We'll see. Yeah, it's open. All right, we'll see. Okay, look at that. See? See? Karugtong ito yung pinanggalingan ko. Yan. See, look at the view. It's like beach. Right? Very nice. Okay. Okay, I'll go down. Ayan. Oh, see? Mas maraming makita dito siguro. Ay, it's kind of the same. Yan. Ayan, no? Wow, look at the water. Oh my gosh. Oh, ang clear, oh. Kitang-kita yung mga bato, oh. Talagang napakalinaw ang tubig, guys. Very nice. Yan, ang mga private property yan. Mga bahay. Holy cow. Hanggang doon, malayo. I don't know how big the lake is. Yan, sa other side, mga bahay din yan. At saka merong other portion in the somewhere in that side ay parang for the public. Pwedeng mag-camping, pwedeng magano. Kasi hindi siya kabahayan. Talagang cottage siya. For parang campground. Camping site yan. Yan. Ayan. Okay. Much better. Ayan. Against the light kasi kanina. Again, this is South Green Lake, BC. Very nice, guys. Malapit lang sana dyan sa Alberta, baka pwedeng mamasyal dito for the weekend, pero malayo, about 9 to 10 hours drive. Yeah. Very nice. Hindi siya crowded, hindi kagaya parang Silvan Lake na, no? Okay. Okay, let's see the next access. Naano ko lang yung hanggang 7, pero I don't know kung meron pa doon. We'll see. Alright. Access 2 and 5 is nice. I don't know the 1. 3 and 3, no access there. You can't go to the lake. 4 is not good. 5 so far. 2 and 5 and 7 I already went there. That's where we so close to the house where we live. Alright. Okay, that's the access 5. Access 5. We'll see the 6. See, look at the residence houses here. Mayayaman daw ang mga nandirito. Kasi mga bahay ay ang lalaki. Bakasyonan lang nila during summertime. So we'll see the 6. Where is the 6? Maybe ito. Kasi may arrow dyan, Oh yeah, this is the right one. Green Lake Access 6. Oh yan. Camera is moving. Yan. Look at 6. Look at the houses, guys. Look at the house. See, they just build their houses just beside the lake. See, ang ganda oh. Wow, could you imagine? Look at the deck. See, look at the deck oh. Paggabi siguro ang ganda magano standby dyan. Yan ang ano, yan ang view ng access 6. Yan. Look at the house. So mga ganyan ang paligid ng lake. Alright, let's go. Kasi ano, walang tao. Yan. Okay, that is access 6. Access 6. Show you the access 7. I don't know if there is access 8, maybe dahil hindi pa ako napunta after 7. Yan, dito na po yung sa amin, malapit na. Yan. Okay, I'll just show you our place where we live. Oh, ayan na. Ayan. Ayan ang aming tirahan sa mamaya. Diyan oh. Yan, mamaya babalik tayo dyan. Show you the access 7. It's very close to us. Yan. Maganda rin yung access 7 actually. Very wide ang ano niya, way. Right here. Siya. Oh, somebody there. Yeah, see, look at the aking kasama nandito. Alright, ayan ang access 7. Look at that. There you go. Okay, bababa tayo, tignan natin. Yan ang view ng access 7. Hello! Nagbayan niya. Kita mata niya, green talaga ito Lexi kan eh. Adape nga ta other access na ito yung gana jay. Napanak kijay yung T2 and 5 mayat. Ajay 4, 6 kung ano madi. Sila bye-bye oh. Look at that oh. Nice. Oh, nakalalon ti danom. Ayan. Hanggang doon, oh. Alright.